AWS Cloud Adoption Readiness Tool, CART. Okay, so here is a small lecture on the AWS Cloud Adoption Readiness Tool, or CART, and this is a tool that helps organization to develop efficient and effective plans for cloud adoption and migrations. So you are going to get a score chart like this, as of the as have been given in the below diagram. And the idea is that you want to transform your data, transform your idea of moving the cloud into a detailed plan, and that will follow the best practices from AWS. So to do so, you are going to transfer a set of questions from 6 different perspectives. Set of operations from, let's say, set of questions from 6 different perspectives. Those would include like the business, people, process, platform, operations, and security. Now you'll be able to see the security, and then it's going to give you a chart as a result, and the custom report will give you your level of migration readiness, and give you a small recommendations to implement the best practices on AWS. So it's just a tool you will see at high level of the exam, like nothing too much to worry about this thing. But I hope you like this cart, and I will see you in the next lecture.